Once this juice is ready, means our big work is done.
Right. Our work will be done, but what about the others?
Right. We have to see how much work others have done.
I know that others will also be doing their work properly.
Your uncle too. He will also be doing some work.
What are you preparing so much for? Wow! What are you both doing? Let me also know.
Come, sister.
Neha, what do I tell you? I was so worried for you and Pari, I was unable to sleep at all. After I went from here, I was feeling like coming here fast and seeing you both, really. And when I decided about coming here, that time I fell asleep.
Don't you think you worry a bit too much?
Very good. You taunt me only, huh? But I only know how much I care and how much I worry for both of them.
I understand it very well. You are very concerned about Neha and Pari. That's why you brought Paranjape's proposal, right? And you were in too much hurry to get them married. Am I right? Tell me.
What are you saying, Aunt?
You know it very well, Meenakshi.
I understand your taunts, huh? You want to say that I did all this on purpose?
How do we know that?
Listen, Aunt. You are just Neha's neighbor. She considers you her mother, so I respect you. If someone else was in your place and would have told me so much then, I would not have tolerated so much. And if I had known from before that man was so devious then, I would have slapped him before Yash. Let it be. One should never think good about others.
The kids were saved due to sheer luck. Both of their lives were going to be ruined.
I'm saying all this, still you are telling me?
Sister, let it be. Let's stop this topic right here.
What more is there to stop, Neha? She said what she wanted to say. I even heard it. Now you tell me if I should come here in the future or not. Tell me if I shouldn't, I won't ever come here. I will never set foot here.
Sister, when did I say that?
It meant that only, Neha.
Aunt said what came to her mind. If your conscience is clear, then why are you bothered with it?
If the other people have poison in their mind, then what will I do with a clear conscience, Neha? I made a mistake. I was wrong to come here thinking about you both. This is the last time. Henceforth, I will never come to your house.
Sister,
Your sister is dead. People don't like me coming here, right? I won't come henceforth.
Aunt, why did you remove that topic now?
Neha, what do you think? Your sister-in-law is very pious.
If you are talking about Paranspe, then sister is not the only one to make a mistake. We all were wrong in identifying Paranspe. And as far as sister-in-law is concerned, then she's the only one from among my relatives who comes to my house and inquires about me. Why will she think bad about me?
You are very naive, Neha. You have not yet identified her well.
Aunt, I know myself. That is more than enough. Forget it now. Let's stop this topic. Good day. How much more time? Do it fast.
Neha, thanks.
For what?
Such a nice celebration with so less money was possible only due to you.
Due to you and Uncle Bandhu, he even repaired that damaged speaker.
Enough with the praise.
Sister, really?
Now stop with your yapping and start with the celebration. I mean, start the party soon.
Hey, now everyone is here, right? Now let us all party. Music, please.
Yeah!
In love with you, my baby, I'm crazy and I want you to stay.
Yash? This petty girl is acting too smart. Now that Yash has given her a little freedom, today I will have to show this girl her place.
Hello, Yash. Where are you? I called you so much. There is a party on account of 31st December here at the tenement. Everyone is asking, where are you? You do one thing, leave fast and come here soon or else.
What?
Hello?
Speak up. I'm asking you something.
Hello? Who is it?
Forget about me and just think about whom you are talking to.
I called Yash, right?
What are you trying to do, huh? Yash, how dare you? Mind your tongue, okay? He is not just Yash, but Yash Vardhan Chaudhary, okay? Do you understand? One needs to take an appointment even to speak with him, okay? And you are inviting him for some petty party in your society.
Hello? Hello? What are you saying? I cannot hear or understand you.
Hello?
Hello? What are you saying? I can't hear you.
Answer me, damn it!
Hello?
Come
Hello?
with me. Why are you standing here?
But this girl is not to be blamed alone. Yash is also that much accountable.
आता उतावीळ झालो गुडघ्या बाशिंग बांधलं तुझ्या नावाचं मी निशल टॅटून गोंधलं आता उतावीळ झालो गुडघ्या बाशिंग बांधलं तुझ्या नावाचं मी निशल टॅटून गोंधलं हात भरून आलो या हात भरून आलो या लई दुरून आलो
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Neha, do you know what I feel? You should cut the cake.
Why me? Uncle and aunt are here.
No.
Even we wish that you cut the cake.
Come, dear.
Yash, good morning. Yash, good morning.
What is it, Sameer?
Get up, Yash. Aren't you tired of dreaming about me by sleeping so much, Yash? Get up, Yash, please.
Go away, Sameer. Let me sleep some more. I was working the entire night.
What do you mean by this? Today is a very important day. All of this happens as you are late for everything like this. Now someone else will come and take away Neha with him. Then you will say that, Sameer, I'm feeling bad. I called you many times. Can't you receive my call? Yes, tell me, Neha. Very good morning. Yash is still sleeping. What? When? But how? One moment. Neha found out that you are the real boss. That you are Yashwardhan Chaudhary. I was telling you to inform her that you are the real boss. Now you tell her what you want to say. Take it fast. Tell her.
Hello, Neha? Neha? She's not saying anything.
How will she? She's angry at you.
But how did she come to know?
How do I know about that, Yash? Give it to me.
What are you doing?
Forget about her. Before that, you should know that I had only called. Hey, what? Hey, Yash, listen to me. Yash, don't beat me like that. Please, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Your phone. I'm sorry. Good morning. Hey, why are you sleeping again? Get up. Come on. Hey, Yash, get up, please. Listen to me. Come,
What do
Yash.
I do by waking up, Sameer?
Do you know what is it today?
What is it?
Boss, what is there today?
Is it your birthday?
Are you serious? Yash, what is there today?
What is it, Sameer?
Yash, our new product is launching today.
Okay, so?
The campaign is rolling out for which you have given the orders. Today you will be there on all the television channels. Your poster will be there all over the place tomorrow. Do you get it? And everyone will know that you are the real boss. Forget everyone else. Your Neha will know that you are the real boss. Do you get what I'm saying, boss?
Are you crazy? You're telling me all this at the last moment. I don't know how to react on this now.
I don't know anything. I just know that you have to do whatever needs to be done today. Look, Neha knows about one thing. That you are in love with some girl. Right? So you have to tell Neha two things before time passes out. Before everyone comes to know. You have to go yourself and tell Neha that you are Yashwardhan Chaudhary. You are the real boss. This is the first thing. And the second thing. You have to go and tell her that the girl whom you love is none other than Neha herself. Okay?
You're right, Sameer. Today I'll tell her everything. That I am Yashwardhan Chaudhary. And I love her.
Bravo. Now you have said what's in your heart after a month. You spoke perfectly. Now you have to do all this on time. Please, get ready fast and dress up. Come.
You wait downstairs, I'll get ready fast and come. And also listen, the campaign won't roll out until I say.
Nothing of that sort cannot happen.
Why?
Because you have given the orders to roll out the campaign. And it will happen on time. So you have less time. So get ready fast and dress up.
Shucks.
Hey, hello, Yash. Will Yash really tell Neha today?
Jagdish! Take out the car, I have to leave. My goodness.
What is it, sister? Tell me, what work do you have?
Is your name Surendra?
No.
Then Jagdish?
Stop speaking nonsense.
I was telling the driver to get out the car. Will you?
No.
Then go away. Do your work. Out.
But sister, where are you leaving for now?
How many times should I tell you? That don't ask me when I go out. It's bad luck.
You are going for kitty party, right? Sister, leave me, please. I will not say that again.
You always feel that I'm going for a kitty party. But I have office work too. Okay? Got it? And now I'm going there.
Office, and that too suddenly like this.
How Yash came back while on his way to Dubai? Similarly, even I have to go to suddenly. I have to find out. Why did he come back?
Sister, do you know what is there today? Today there is advertising in office.
It's called campaign running, okay?
Yes, that only. That's why our Yash is staying there today.
For your information, this was going to happen in Dubai too.
Is it? I forgot it.
Now I am understanding a lot of things. Yash came back while on his way to Dubai. He's not at all interested in publicity. Still, he rescheduled himself for this publicity campaign. There is something for sure. Is Yash and that old man playing some game against me? What do you feel? You are really thinking about it. Huh? Don't do it. You will not be able to do it. Huh? I will go and see what needs to be done.
Neha? Neha, today you... Hey? What is all this?
Hey aunt, there should be no problems at the last minute, so I'm getting ready now.
Means?
Aunt, the bank people won't keep giving us notice. They'll come anytime and tell us to vacate the house. It's better to be prepared from before, right? I'll go to the bank while on my way to the office.
I don't want to go anywhere from here.
Pari, I said what I wanted to say. Now will you keep arguing here?
Where I'm arguing, my all friends are here.
But when did I refuse? We are just changing the house.
Which means you will go from here, right?
Pari, but you will stay with uncle and aunt the whole day, right? So your friends will be with you only.
But I will have to go at night, isn't it?
Pari, why are you asking so many questions? Your mother is already in so much rush.
I don't feel like leaving this place.
Don't you feel like going to the palace too? Tell me. Don't you feel like going to the palace?
We will go to a real palace for sure.
Why not? We can go anywhere once we decide it. Now tell me, if you will love to go to a palace?
I will surely love it. Now you tell me, when should we go to live in a palace?
Very soon, dear.
Neha, why are you showing her dreams for no reason?
And now mom has told me, so we will surely go to a palace. We have lots of money, right mom?
Yes. Come, dear. I'm getting late now.
Hey, Mr. Engineer!
What
Wait,
happened
wait.
now?
You just took the box.
Yes.
Who will take the grocery list?
Oh, I have to bring grocery too. I forgot it.
You always do this.
Okay.
It was good that I remembered. At least now you will remember it.
Okay, I will try.
First, you will give that box.
Yes.
And then you will bring grocery while coming. Okay? I will keep it here.
And what else?
Nothing more. First do this and come back.
All right then.
Due to small reason, Neha and I had to fight. If I meant... Ouch! Can't you see?
Sorry, sister. I'm really very, very sorry. I was in a rush. What is it?
Yash, it's you?
Yes.
Eh? What is this? What I'm looking at? You're wearing a suit. Did you win a lottery? Huh? Huh? No, listen to me. You took these clothes from a sale, right? You brought it at a dead cheap price. You shouldn't buy from the street as it's very bad. You're impossible.
I'll keep that in mind. Shall I even have to?
But if there is sari sale anywhere, then will you inform Neha for myself?
Excuse me?
What? Say it once again. Say once more.
Excuse me?
Excuse me. Your language changed on wearing the suit.
Sister, I'll come. I'm getting late.
He left? Excuse